do you think's in there?
Ooh.
A bubble gum dispenser.
What's that from?
Whitney.
Here, do you want me to show you how it works?
Yeah.
So what you do is you
It
go.
has your name on it, Caroline.
You take this off.
You see the C on it?
Oh, fun.
And let's come out here.
That's
That
where
one's-
the gun comes out.
1 second. Now you have to share with brother.
Whoa.
Nothing has to be lost.
And then you put the top on. Wait. And then you push this. And out comes a gumball.
Can I pink?
Here.
Pink.
Which one can I have? Okay, thank you.
You say, thank you, Aunt Whitney. You like it, Caroline?